Hi everyone! In this video we're going to introduce you to the latest build of the Anything app. Now this is the version that's also going to hit the market very soon. Please make sure you also check out the other video of a previous prototype we've made, because it has some bells and whistles which you'll also see in the final version. That being said, let's go take a look at the latest build of the Anything app. Let's go! Alright, so here we have the homepage of the Anything app. And you'll see that it's separated in a few segments. So here we have our banners that we can use to introduce promotions or just educate our users. And you have segments here that look relatively similar. So these are actually categories, the main categories that you can browse to find specific users. But also, some of these categories are going to be more popular and used a lot in a certain city. So we have this field here that adjusts to your environment, but also your personal preference. You have your on and off switch here, which is like a master switch, and it overrides your own schedule. So you can set a schedule here, and you set it once and it applies to the week. And if you don't change it, it will automatically process to the next week as well. So let's take a look at one of these profiles. Go to technology here. Now you see, this looks relatively plain. This is actually not what it's going to look like when it's finished, because it's going to look a lot more like this. So if you click technology, you're going to have these subcategories, and then you find the subcategory that you need, and then you'll find your users here, right? So you can see people's ratings immediately, what they like to talk about. People might have bought an advertisement, so they stand out a bit more. You can see the location, you can see their price. Okay, so we take a look at Edward. Edward is a CTO, and he has two topics that he likes to talk about, mostly about talking to other CTOs or people who want to become one. You can check out his reviews here. Edward also verified himself on social media, you can check out. And he has the schedule in case he's just not available and you want to talk specifically to Edward, maybe later that day. Now, we also, of course, we have messaging integrated, which is going to be a big part of the app. And setting up your own profile. I mean, here you can upload and download credits to and from the Anything app, and also straight back into your bank account. And this is going to be developed a bit further, because of course we have the Anycoin integration, as you can see here. You'll be able to very easily transfer between users and also use it to buy boosters, advertisements, and so on. Let's see, there we go. So in here you can preview your own profile, and once you've made your profile, here you can easily adjust that, which the first time during onboarding you're going to get a nice flow here. That's it people, the humble beginnings of the app that's going to change the world, disrupting communication as we know it. And we're happy that after this, when we launch, it's going to be the new way and it's going to be available to everyone. Enjoy the Anything app.